us as we're eating. Just for the cheese. And then this one just dice it very finely. Onion is a shallot.
It's a shallot.
It's a shallot. Okay, it's a shallot. My son is saying it's a shallot. We are saying it's a shallot. I don't know why. But yeah. It's a small onion.
It's basically like a mild onion.
Mild, yeah, for salads and stuff.
Yeah.
And then this seed, the green chili, take out all the seeds, and then also dice it very finely. You guys, I'm making a salsa, you guys. So I'll be adding salt and vinegar. I'll be adding
black pepper.
Black pepper. I'll be adding then the onion and the green chili, like so. And then just give it a quick mix, and then you have your salsa. Really, you can chop it up in your chopper or your food processor or whatever, but yeah, I just like to do it in the hand also sometimes. Just gonna transfer it into your serving cuppies, like so. This is lunch for me and my son. So you guys, I made some refreshing juices and smoothies. So it was our lunch, and we are having our lunch. We just have some chicken wings and just a salsa and salads and, you know, bits and pieces of things, chippy and things that Armando started to eat already. Almost done. And cheese. So just an assortment of things, you know. And yeah, we're just gonna eat, and please join us on our table and have fun with us as we're eating.
Mama, I love this juice now.
You love it? Okay, which was Armano's? Armano, this was yours.
Yeah.
Try this one. Try it and tell Mama how it was. You were gonna throw it on him. Check it.
No.
How? Not that one. Okay. Try this one.
Try this.
That one is good.
That one is a yes for Armando.
Yeah, so Armando is the orange juice kind of guy. Mommy will always grab them.
Not the cheese. Oh, yeah.
We should have invited the word Mona. It's funny.
Yeah, tonight they can come us. It's a Wednesday. Mona is going back Friday.
No. This one is not for me.
Sure, give him.
nice or is it? Oh, okay. It's also enough one, man. What?
It's avocado.
Last one. Last one. This one is looking very, very tasty. Yeah.
Give me.
It looks delicious.
Okay.
Okay. What do you say?
See, good. Give me that.
Wow. And this one? Try the juice.
Good, Salah. This is good, nice.
Is it good?
Yeah, you make my juicing. I love you, Mama.
I love you too, my baby.
Mama, I love this now.
Oh,
Love it.
it's nice, no?
This one is yours.
Have you tried this one? Just try.
What's this time? Mango and banana. Getting strong banana. I think that's also
Mama, is
Mango.
it orange?
Yeah, it's banana.
Mango. But with the yogurt. Milk.
So that's why it's
Heavy.
such a heavy. Okay, let me try the avocado mystery. This one is actually not that bad.
It is not bad at all. Try, Papa. Try also.
Okay.
This one is the salty
It's fresh.
avocado. What do you think?
I didn't think.
You didn't think.
He didn't think.
You don't think of this.
Avocado.
This is avocado. Papa likes this one.
The green one, the green.
Green one.
The maple green color. Uh-huh.
Hey, where are you going? Okay. I'm just gonna dip it in my favorite sauce. I love this hot sauce.
You put it on everything. This is a lemon pickle.
That's a lemon pickle.
You know this one is almost empty now, the bottle.
Oh
You have to order it again.
What are you doing?
no.
So you guys, really the food is nice. We're having wings and just an assortment of things. So this is our lunch. It's lunchtime, we're just snacking. We don't really sit down to eat. Because most of the time my husband is not here. Only us. So we are eating very light.
Yeah.
Mostly it's a salad or a leftover from the previous night, actually.
We don't actually eat like a full-blown meal
Meal,
when it's
lunch.
lunchtime.
Our food is just for breakfast and dinner mostly. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining, and Let's sign off. Ah, no. This cat, ne? She's down here.
She's fighting?
Mm.